Welcome to Lesson 2. In this session, we'll explore how to find the best location for your garden so your plants thrive. Where you plant makes all the difference. A great location supports growth, while a poor one can leave your plants struggling. Think of it like real estate. It's all about location, location, location. Sunlight is the #1 factor. Most vegetables need 6 to 8 hours of full sun each day. If your space doesn't get that much light, don't worry. Leafy greens and herbs can grow just fine with less sun. Your garden should be close to a water source. If it's hard to water, chances are you won't keep up, and your plants will suffer. I always tell students, make it easy for yourself. A hose hookup nearby saves you a lot of hauling buckets in the heat. Good drainage is essential. Avoid low spots where water collects, as well as areas with hard, compacted soil. Where I live in Florida, we have sandy soil. Even though it rains quite a bit, especially in summer, the rain quickly soaks into the soil, allowing it to dry out. Therefore, we have to water more often on days when it doesn't rain. If your yard tends to stay soggy, consider raised beds. They give you more control over soil and drainage. It also solves the sandy soil problem. The wind can damage plants and dry out the soil, so a fence, hedge, or even nearby trees can provide protection. In open areas, I sometimes plant taller plants, such as sunflowers, as a natural windbreak. They protect smaller crops behind them. Finally, think about convenience. A garden close to your house means you'll visit more often, notice problems sooner, and enjoy harvesting fresh food. When your garden is right outside your door, it's easier to step out, snip some herbs, and add them to dinner. To review, the best garden spot has plenty of sunlight, easy access to water, good drainage, protection from wind, and is close enough to your home that you'll use it often. So, don't overthink it. Just look around your yard with these 5 factors in mind. Once you choose the right spot, you'll be setting your garden up for success from the start. Great work completing Lesson 2. In our next lesson, we'll dive into basic tools and supplies and get ready for Module 2, where we start preparing our garden soil.